If you're an OG of the channel, you may or may not remember these. Bespoke Post, a subscription box service that curates a bunch of wicked gear in a box every month for a set price of $45 only. Don't worry, it's free to sign up to checkout and a sweet discount with my link down below. Plus, you can cancel at any time for free. Anyways, enough talking, let's check it out. Some of these boxes may not be available at the moment, but they're always featuring new ones every month. But the first one we've got is the Dock Box, with the main goal here being that you're paying $45, but you should get more in value back with their curated gear. With the Dock Box though, it's all about summer and being by the water. Starting off with these rain handmade sunglasses, which pretty much covers the bulk of the value. They're built tough with some clean gold lettering on the inside for some extra sophistication. It's a pair of sunglasses I can trust to throw around without having to be extra careful with it. But if you do worry about taking care of your gear though, a thick wool-like sleeve is included, and the leather accent is a nice touch. With it inside, you'll have no problems with scratching or banging up your new sunglasses. There's a loop on the top to hang it off your bag or just to make it slightly easier to pull it out of your pocket. However, if carrying a bulky sleeve isn't your jam, there's also the Chum's rope retainer. Yes, it's kind of like the ones your grandpa uses, and well, it's just as rad. It kind of feels like a thick shoelace with an adjusting knob to tighten or loosen on your head, and it's got these two rubber sleeves that you simply push the ends of your glasses into. And wabam. These are perfect if you plan on being active, as you'll never lose your glasses again, but you may lose a few friends if you do decide to wear it in public. Another one from Chum's, this is the floating wallet and keychain. Made of a foam-filled neoprene, this will keep up to about 2.6 ounces worth floating. Basically about 5 keys worth. Now it ain't waterproof, so don't go throwing your earpods inside, but it will keep your credit cards from sinking to the bottom of the lake. The next one is EDC gear focused. One of the main reasons I love Bespoke Post, as they focus on gear I actually enjoy using. This is the deploy box, which provides a full set of tools on a single keychain. The main collection comes from Iron and Glory, which alone already costs well over the value of the box itself, but it's a 6-piece toolkit starting with a stainless steel bottle opener with a mini pry at the end of it, then a dedicated pry for the tougher jobs that require some extra torque. My favorite, the mini lighter in a zinc alloy chrome plated body, sort of the perfect backup lighter you can always have on hand, as it twists shut and is waterproofed with an O-ring, a sort of funky carabiner that's built tough but also has dual slot options, and of course your solid Phillips head that is large enough you can get a solid handle on it, along with a dedicated flathead too. I'd argue the steel cable ring is a neat inclusion too, as it offers ease of removal but also adding other gear, like another that's included in the box, the Counting-Com Pico grappling hook. Yes, pretty much the same kind Batman uses, but much smaller. With the 3 spikes tightened in, you have a fully functioning hook you can attach a rope or a shoelace to hang something up or pick up gear lost in a deep crevice. When done, the spikes store into itself, and it's so small that you'll probably forget you even have it on you. Lastly, a very popular tweezer in the EDC community from Uncle Bill, this is the Silver Gripper tweezer, famous for its sharp pointed end but also the tiny size that makes it lightweight and easy to take with you for the next time you need to pluck a toe hair on the go or something. We've all been there, no judgment. Plus, with the included carrying clip, it makes it easy to toss onto your keychain collection as well. This one is another summer ready box. As you may have noticed, this video is a few months late, but nonetheless still relevant because summer will be back one day. And this bright box has you covered, like literally, with the Sun Pocket foldable sunglasses. I went with the blacked out model because it came with some wicked blue tinted lenses, but you get the drill. You fold it open and wha-bam, a full pair of sunglasses. The hinges feel solid even through my scientific shake tests, and the lenses are also shatter and scratch resistant with 100% UVA and UVA protection too. This model has extra flaps on the top and bottom of the lenses to provide slightly more coverage from light leaking through, but the real benefit is being able to do this. Fold it up and easily slide it into your pocket or bag without having to worry about damaging it in the process. Plus, the little soft microfiber baggie offers a little extra scratch resistance too. Next, for the party animals or people who like to drink out of small cups, this is the Mizu collapsible shot glass. Now once I figured out how to open it, it's made of all food grade stainless steel, and you just do this. Wha-bam. The metal rings hold into place and make an impromptu shot glass for when you're real thirsty on the go. But it's also just neat to pull this metal like Oreo out and see if others can figure out how to use it too. Finally, for the hairy ones out there, this is the Bird Comb, spelt with a Y because it's cooler that way. A surf inspired grooming company in collaboration with Future Fins. This is made of a composite material from a surf fin. It's kind of flexible and a little soft, but it's meant to flow through your hair air like the breeze of an ocean. Plus, if you can't surf, this is going to be the closest thing you have to a cowabunga moment. But that's the Bright Box, which ensures you look good and stay hydrated. Next up, the Sprint Box. Much bigger than the rest, but always a good sign. Great for working out, running, or just anyone that's active in any way. This box has the gear to get you warmed up and ready to get moving. Starting off with the Brazen Mobility Strap. If you've ever pulled a muscle, you'll understand the need to stretch properly before and after your workout, especially in this position. Brazen is founded by former NFL athlete Nate Lowry, and I've used their products in the past and have no complaints, especially when it comes to build quality. It's made of a thick nylon strap that consists of a handle on both ends with 10 loops in between for a variety of positions you can stretch into. Then there's the Fits Light Runner Socks, which may be odd at first, but the difference well padded and stretchy socks makes is noticeable in your workouts, especially when it's made of a moisture wicking merino wool like this and is just super soft on the inside for your toes to cuddle in. Now, probably my favorite item in the kit, this Spy Belt Pocket Exercise Belt. When not in use, it's basically the shape of a standard size belt you'd use with your jeans, but zipping it open, thanks to the folded and stretchy material, you're able to fit a whole phone, your keys, and cards to take with you on a run, so you've got one less item jiggling in your pants. It's really lightweight and can also double as a great hidden travel pouch too. But lastly, there's the Vapor Eclipse Wide Mouth Anti-Bottle. I've shown this off before, so it's wicked to see it included here too. It's made of a BPA-free, flexible but tough material with a simple pop-off lid, but the real benefit here is being able to do this. When emptied, it's a full-on bottle that you can easily stick into your front pocket, or better yet, into your new belt with the rest of your gear too, and now you've got one less excuse to finally go for that run. Now those were the boxes, but I also picked out some gear from their dedicated shop too, like from Smoke Honest, their stash case and lighter combo. What looks like just a thick Sharpie is actually made of a durable aluminum construction that's blacked out, of course. But on one end, when unscrewed, you've got a built-in lighter, similar to the mini one we saw earlier, that's also waterproof sealed thanks to the included O-ring too, with a similar situation on the other end as well, as it's just an empty tube. Whatever you decide to store inside it will stay dry and actually odor-free as well. A perfect spot to keep the goods safe from being crushed or seen to begin with. And it does come with a keychain loop too, if you're cool enough to hang this onto your keys, or even as a necklace for some sort of blacked out bling bling. The last item is from Matador, a channel favorite when it comes to all things travel accessories, and with their new on-grid packable backpack, it's built with a lightweight material that is abrasion and weather resistant, but I'm also a fan of this charcoal finish too. Dual bottle pockets that you can also fit snacks, a shirt, or an umbrella in as well, with a quick access front pocket that's fairly spacious for glasses, more snacks, and other daily essentials. Then there's the main access pocket, unzipping to reveal one large pocket for the rest of your gear like a jacket or, well, more snacks. If you really can't live without your tech, it's even got a dedicated laptop sleeve too. Just keep in mind the bag lacks any sort of padding whatsoever. But of course, what makes this bag special is this. Squeezing it all into its own little pouch, this full-size 16-liter bag packs away into the size of my hand. Something you can stuff into your own pockets or luggage and have a bag on you at all times, especially useful when your significant other decides she wants to buy more snacks but doesn't actually want to carry it themselves. So let me know in the comments what subscription boxes you want me to check out, but that's it. I rest my boxes.